The ocean covers 71% of Earth's surface. It's vast, mysterious, and full of life. What if we could explore all of it? What if humans could breathe underwater? Would it be a watery paradise or a disaster waiting to happen? Let's dive into the science behind breathing underwater. Fish are able to breathe underwater thanks to their gills. They extract dissolved oxygen from the water and release carbon dioxide back into it. This process requires specialized organs and adapted blood cells, something that humans don't have. So to breathe underwater, we need some serious biological evolution or some seriously advanced tech. Maybe one day we can develop artificial gills that would allow us to extract oxygen from seawater like fish do. Or maybe we could genetically modify ourselves to breathe underwater. But for now, it's only a fantasy, okay? Let's pretend it's not a problem. Here are 5 things that would happen if humans could breathe underwater. Number 1. Underwater cities. Humans have a remarkable ability to adapt to new environments. Just look at how quickly we build cities on land. In a similar way, we could build underwater cities complete with homes, farms, and businesses. Imagine having a window in your bedroom with a view of colorful coral reefs and playful dolphins. And instead of traffic jams, we have to worry about seaweed snags, of course. We'd also need to grow food underwater. Luckily, many plants and vegetables grow well when submerged. We could farm seaweed, kelp forests, and seagrass meadows, which are not only nutritious, but also help in capturing carbon dioxide and cleaning the water. No. 2. Ocean tourism. If humans could breathe underwater, ocean tourism would become extremely popular. Imagine going on a snorkeling trip to the Great Barrier Reef or swimming with dolphins in their natural habitat. We could explore shipwrecks, sunken cities, and even swim in the famous Blue Hole in Belize. There is so much to discover in the ocean that has been out of reach for humans because of our inability to breathe underwater. But with the ability to breathe underwater, we can access areas of the ocean that are rich in minerals, natural gas, and other resources. This could provide new sources of energy and materials for human use. Plus, there are plenty of underwater volcanoes and geysers that could provide us with renewable energy. Just imagine the view from an underwater hotel room. 3. Danger at the deep sea. The deep sea is a place of extremes. The pressure hundreds of meters below the surface is intense, enough to crush most objects. Our bodies aren't built to withstand such pressure, so we likely be met with a nasty surprise as we descended. But it gets worse. The deep sea is home to some of the most dangerous creatures on Earth. From sharks and jellyfish to giant squids and anglerfish, many of these animals rely on camouflage to hunt their prey or protect themselves from predators. But with human divers around, their hunting grounds could become a lot more dangerous. Then there's the issue of salt water. Salt water is much denser than fresh water, which means it will weigh more and exert more pressure on our bodies. This could cause our cells to burst and lead to organ failure. So to survive underwater, we need some serious protection. We'd have to wear special suits that could withstand the pressure and be oxygen tanks to keep us alive. And we still wouldn't be safe from the dangers of the deep sea. Number 4, a threat to marine life. As I mentioned before, many deep-sea creatures rely on camouflage to survive. If humans start exploring the ocean floor, these animals could be wiped out. Not only that, but our lights and noise could disturb or even kill many marine species. And let's not forget about pollution. Even if we contain it to the water, it would spread to the ocean and harm sea life. Now, this may sound unlikely, but there are already plenty of plastic and other debris in the oceans. If humans started venturing further into the sea, it would be hard to avoid causing damage. And no. 5. A new home. If humans could breathe underwater, it might actually be a good thing for the planet. Overpopulation is a major issue on land. If humans had the ability to live in the ocean, it would free up space on land for other species to thrive. Some people might not want to leave the comforts of land, but others might be willing to make the plunge and start a whole new civilization in the ocean. With some serious planning and preparation, it could actually be a pretty smooth transition. We could use our existing technology to create underwater habitats and infrastructure, and then start building a new society based on sustainability and harmony with the marine environment. So, what do you think? Would it be a watery paradise or a disaster waiting to happen? If this was possible, would you stay on land or move to the ocean? Thanks for watching and see you next time.